The list of spare part was long. Here you see the list of a spare part. Here you see the list of a spare part. Here the spare part is the subject. Okay? Here you see in the sentence, the list of a spare part was long. It is helping verb, singular. Why singular? Because here the main subject is a spare part. So it is, what is it is? It is singular. So it is singular. Okay? So the list of the spare part was long. Now come to the, if it is written in plural, the list of spare parts. Here you see the spare part. Here you see the spare part. Spare parts. So here you see the list of spare parts. Here it is a spare part, so it is singular. Spare parts were long. Why? Because here spare parts, it is plural. So here in the two examples, you have seen that the how, the verb. Here the verb was is agree. It is singular and it is also singular. So here the verb is agree with its subject in number. How it is in number? The verb is in singular number. The verb is in singular number, though it is was is a helping verb, but it is considered as a verb. So it is in singular number, so the subject is also. As the subject is in singular number, the verb is also in singular number. Here, the list of spare parts were long. So why it is where? Because here the subject is plural and was का plural क्या हुआ? Where? Where is plural of was? Was is singular, whereas where is the plural of was. So in this way, this is a correct sentence. So here you see, according to the rule number 1, that we should make a verb agree in number. The verb is agree in number. As the verb is singular, so the subject is also singular. Here in the sentence number 2, the verb is agree. How it is agreed? It is agreed because the subject is plural, so here where is used. Now come to the second rule. Come to the second rule. Come to the second rule. Let us come to the second rule. A plural verb. A plural verb is always required. A plural verb is always required after you. After you. You के बाद हमेशा plural verb का प्रयोग होगा. ठीक है? Even when it is used in singular. देखिए, as you know, you is used in singular. You is in plural. But you is used in singular. And it is used in plural. But remember, you always takes plural verb. That is what? That a plural verb is always used. Required to use after you. Either it is singular or it is plural. Either it is singular or plural. Okay? Here you see the example. Here you see the example. See the example. You were always helpful. You were always helpful. You cannot say you was always helpful. It is a wrong sentence. You always write, you are a very good friend. You are my very good friend. Okay, you were always good, helpful to me. You have done this. Okay, so all these, that it makes it clear that you is always used as a verb. Whether it is singular or it is plural, it takes PLV, it takes plural verb. Okay, you take it simply. So you are very helpful during my stay. You were always helpful during my stay at Patna. Here you see why I have written where. Because grammar tells that you, either it is used as a singular or it is plural, but it takes always plural verb. It always takes plural verb. So then rule number 2. Now come to the rule number 3. Come to the rule number 3. Rule number 3. Subject that is joined with and. Subject that is joined with and. Subjects that is joined with and. वैसे सब्जेक्ट जो एंड से जुड़े हुए हैं, किससे जुड़े हुए हैं? एंड से जुड़े हुए हैं, ठीक है ना? सब्जेक्ट दैट इज जॉइंड विथ एंड आर यूजुअली प्लूरल, आर यूजुअली, जनरली जो होता है हम उसको यूजुअली प्लूरल and takes PLV. Mostly two subjects are joined with the help of conjunction and, mostly or usually plural verbs are used. Why? Because when two subjects are, for example, Ram and Shyam. For example, Ram and Shyam. Here you see, Ram and Shyam are good friends. Here you see, it is usually when two subjects are joined with and, then it takes plural subject. Number 1, but. इसमें बहुत सारे टाइप्स हैं बेटा, ध्यान रखना. ये जनरल टाइप है, टाइप नंबर 1, but it has different types. Come to the type number 1. Come to the type number 1. Generally, when two subjects are added with the help of and, it takes plural verb. Now, type number 1. If a subject if a subject consists of two singular nouns connected by and refers to the same thing, a singular verb is used. देखिए rule type number 1. I am talking about using conjunction and. It is not necessary that if the two nouns are connected with the help of conjunction and, it will always become a plural. Okay? But basically, generally or usually, if the two subjects are joined with the help of and, usually plural verb is used. But here, type number 1, if a subject is connected two singular numbers, अगर दो सिंगुलर नंबर को कनेक्ट किया गया है और ये रेफर कर रहा है सेम थिंग को, सेम आइडिया और सेम थिंग, if it is connected, same idea or same thing is, if it stand for, if the two subject is added with help of and if it stand for same idea, same thing, same people, we will use singular verb. Singular verb will be used. I repeat, if a subject has two singular nouns, and if these two singular nouns is connected or are connected with and but stand for same thing, singular idea, same person, same place, then singular verb will be used. तो हम singular verb का use करेंगे. Now come to the example. Come to the example. Come to the example. Come to the example. Example number 1. My best friend. My best friend. My best friend and advisor. My best friend and advisor. My best friend and advisor has changed his mind again. Has changed his mind again. Can you see? Here, my best friend and advisor, though it is connected with and, but it stands for the same person. The best friend, whoever the best friend, he is the best friend and advisor also. So it stands for same person. It stands for the same person. So singular verb has a singular helping verb is used. Has changed his mind. Here it is clear, his. For whom it is used? For the same person we have used the word his. Understand? I already told you that if two singular noun is connected or joined with and if it stand for same idea, same thing, same person, singular verb will be used. Singular verb will be used. So remember this thing. Next sentence. Now, next sentence. Here the subject is treated as the same person, as the same idea, same thing. So singular subject verb is used. Now next example. Cornflakes. 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 Cornflakes and milk. And milk is our Sunday breakfast. Sunday breakfast. Here you see. Here the cornflakes and the milk are the two different subject. Okay? It is joined with and is joined, but it stands for the same thing. It stands for the same thing. So here singular verb is used. Why is used? Because here the cornflake and milk stands for the same thing. Slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady. One person. Slow and steady wins the race. Very simple. Slow and steady. Slow and steady wins the race. Here, slow and steady. Here, the two singular subjects, slow and steady. It stands for singular idea. So, a singular verb is used. Is it okay? Now come next. Next sentence. And now number two. When, second principle, when two subjects connected by and, जब दो सब्जेक्ट कनेक्ट होंगे एंड से और प्रीसीडेड बाय, अगर उसके पहले ईच लगा हुआ है, आर प्रीसीडेड preceded by each, every, many, how many. A singular verb is used. क्या कहता है? Very simple. कि when two subjects connected by and but preceded by each student, each boy, so presented by each, every, many or many. If it is preceded by